Today we're going to talk about the Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments of the U.S. Constitution, focusing on explaining the Second Amendment, basically the right of people to keep and bear arms. The legislation about firearms changed a little in each state, but the right to have your own gun can't be taken from the U.S. citizens, American citizens.
So, before the federal system was established, the United States was organized into a confederation under the Articles of Confederation. The national government was ineffective and the articles were weak. To solve this war, the Philadelphia meeting was called to propose changes in the articles. In fact, they created the federal system and wrote a new document called the United States Constitution. This document was then presented to the states for them to ratify. Those who were forward for the document were called the Federalists, and the opponents were the Anti-Federalists. During the debate between them, was created the Federalist Papers, where the Bill of Rights had the Bill of Rights, a required guarantee by the federal anti-federalists before them to accept the Constitution. Then the Bill of Rights established the 10 first American amendments and guaranteed the individual liberties.
So, the Second Amendment is the basic rights of self-protection and resistance of oppression. But in the Second Amendment, they don't determine minimum age to keep a gun. So, the state is who controls it. But any state can don't let people to buy because it's in the Constitution. So even with this liberty of buying guns and this kind of things, you have to accomplish with some requirements. That you can't be a felon, and you can't have a mental ill. You need to be a clean guy. You can't have a criminal start. And not every gun is allowed to be bought in the United States, because have some guns that are specifically for the military. So any citizen can buy it. And this amendment is good for the population because they can protect themselves, also the people around them.
Even though the Second Amendment was made to protect the people, it has some issues. Because in the United States, it's too easy for you to get a gun. And because of that, we have some problems. And one of these problems is the mass school shootings. And this is a problem. And the number of mass shootings around the country in 2018 has risen above 300 so far. And another problem is, contrary to most beliefs, guns actually increase some types of crimes in the neighborhoods where they are more bought. Because a study conducted by a professor in Yale showed that in regions that have a high gun percentage, there is more criminality, and there are more incidents of armed robbery.
In conclusion, the Second Amendment of the Bill of Rights allows people to keep guns. The pro is the possibility, if you bear a gun, to protect yourself and your home from bad people. The cons are the problems with the legislation that makes it really easy to buy a firearm, so literally anybody can get one. Generating shootings in schools caused by mad people, for example. Thanks for listening.